What's the meaning of crap? Crap. Crap.
Crap. Crap. Crap is a vulgar term that can mean different things depending on the context. It can refer to something of poor quality or value, or to excrement. As a slang term, it can also be used as an expression of anger, frustration, or disbelief. The word originated in the 15th century and has evolved over time to become widely used in casual conversation. Its use is considered impolite and disrespectful in formal settings, and it is important to exercise discretion when using this term in professional or social situations. Overall, crap is a versatile and often offensive term that should be used with caution.